Right. I do hope you guys are not getting sick of these yet, because there's a couple more episodes. Welcome back to another episode of the Majorette Tune-Ups. This is Series 3. So yes, I've done a lot of these, one after the other, because I just discovered Series 2 of these, and now Series 3 is a thing. So of course I'm venturing into these now. And yeah, I can see the views are dropping a bit, so hopefully these aren't getting too tedious now. Hopefully these will be the last 2 videos here, until they release Series 4. So yes, Majorette Tune-Ups, a blind box set, and I bought another 2 4-packs in the hope that we will get some of the cars I'm really looking, well, some of the cars I'm really hoping I do get. So, I'm very thankful that I've already got the ultra rare, which is very nice, that one on the side there, so that was a result. Hoping for one of the super rares, as well as a couple of the new castings. Righto, let's waste no time as I do get a little bit carried away with these. I hope you're all doing well, as per usual. Yeah, let's get stuck in. Whoa! Hopefully, today, we won't get too many duplicates. So, first off, what are we going to get? Ooh, High Ace. So, we have another one of the High Aces here. Yep, we've seen this before. I think there was, whoa, careful. I think there was 3 of these in the Series 2. We ended up getting 2 of them. Yeah, pretty cool. This one's in a nice blue colour. Got some writing down the side there. Majorette.com. Bilstein. Number 40. Yeah, this one's all bluified. Very nice front light details and the lens lights and all the rear light details again. Very cool. So this is a cool. And this one comes with the urban design. Did quite like the urban design actually. I'd like that on the last one from memory. So let's quickly check it out, shall we? These ones, I've actually started to just open them like this because it's just easier actually. Oh, the sticker has got stuck. We have a stuck sticker. Sticker stuck. There it is. This one is that dubious, that really annoying green colour that made me think it was glow in the dark when it isn't. Yeah, pretty cool stickers on there. And in this one we get the spoiler. And this side we have the body kit. In fact, I think this is different. This looks like a different base. So we'll slot that on the car there. Wah. There we go. Nice. Yeah, that looks pretty cool actually. So we'll get the spoiler on quickly. There we go. Now we have an awesome tuned up minibus. You can see all the seats in there. Yeah, very nice. Got an exposed intercooler and all that. Very cool looking body kit with the rear spoiler on there. Yeah, that is pretty nice indeed. So we'll put that over to the side, out of the way, and we'll crack on and get unboxing the next one. I'm really hoping for that super rare, that charger. I think once I've got that, and hopefully another one of the new castings, I'll be happy. Oh, we got a Raptor. Okay, so this is one of the different castings. That's very cool. Let's have a look. This one is a rare. So we got to the off-road version. Nice. And I've got to say, that does look pretty awesome. Actually, let me just hold that back up so you can see it. With the stats on the side. So here is the Raptor, a rare one. Very nice. Got lensed front lights. No, this one. First time we haven't had lensed front lights. Got them painted in there. Got the Ford logo painted in as well on the grille. Very nice. Treaded off-road wheels. Very cool. Lots of detail on the base as well. I do like the colour on this one. Got Raptor written on the side. Bit of lacquer paint in the back. You can sort of see the brushing in the back there. Ford logo on the back with the details and a little tow hitch as well. Nice. So let's unbox the modifications quickly. This one actually just comes with a bike. Nice. There's a sticker sheet. Oh, no one cares. Let's face it, they're all been the same anyway. And in here we have, oh, the body, and it's again one of those kind of clear coloured ones. Oh, this looks nice. So this must just clip over the top. Oh, there it is. Clicked over the top there, and then the bike can sit on the back there. Oh wow, that's very cool. The bike, the bike's a nice added extra. Bit overkill for my liking, but of course you could just take that off, which I think I will. But yeah, this looks cool. I don't think it's quite clicked in. There we go. So we get a nice front bumper bar there, and the awesome kit down the side. I think that could be an exhaust there. Side step. And you got all the luggage area on the top, and a little sort of ducktail spoiler as well. Wow, that's really cool. It actually does look pretty nice with the sort of clear effect. You can still see some of the livery down the side there. That is really nice, and a nice big bonnet bra on there as well. Yeah, no, that's a pretty cool. That's a pretty cool rare indeed. I've got to say, that is a nice new addition, having the F-150. In fact, I did quite like the look of the. I did actually quite like the look of the racing version down here as well. So yeah, that would be nice to have. But yeah, glad I got that. All I'm after really now, I think we've got, oh no, we haven't had the GTR, so I would like to get the GTR Super Rare as well as the Dodge Charger RT. They are the two that I'm sort of left to try and get. Hopefully we shall get them. 2 Super Rares. Well, I don't think we'll be getting them both together, let's be honest, but we'll see. We will see. What are we going to get? Oh, a GTR. Wait, hang on. What GTR is this? I don't think that's the super rare. That's just a rare one. Oh, I didn't notice that. Oh, it's right in the middle there. That'll do. Nice GTR. And this one. Yep. Has this one. Actually, I'll quickly zoom in and show you. This actually looks pretty cool. Got Bilstein written on the side again. Sakura, I think that says on the side. Very, very interesting livery. Nice shade of purple on this one. Bit of scuff marks on the roof of it, unfortunately. Got kind of blossom tree on the bonnet there as well. That's really nice. Lens lights, little badge. Pretty nice GTR casting. All the rear light details as well. And this one has opening doors. You can see the interior in there, which is pink. That's very nice. Well, another rare one. Pretty cool. I don't know how I didn't notice that, but no, I'm happy with that. This is a new casting I didn't have. So let's get out the modifications. So we've got a very bright pink body kit there. This is an urban body kit, and some tyres there as well. Actually, let's have a quick look at the stickers. I mean, it's got an emoji on it, this one. For you emoji fans, if there are any. Right, let's get the body kit on first, so the wheels don't get in the way. He says his desk making an all manner of creaking noises. Yes, soon. Once I'm back from my holiday, all my money from work can go on building a new desk. Fun! I love spending money. Right, there's a wheel. Let's get these wheels on it. Right, there we are. Oh, modded up. Can we still open the doors? Yes, yes we can. They're very stiff. This door here is very stiff. There we go. We can still open the doors. So that's very cool. Nice pink, wide arch body kit. Look at those vents on there. Wow. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I've got to say, actually, it does look alright with this body kit, but I think it looks better as it does normally. But I say, a very, very nice GTR, and I love the colour scheme on that. I'll possibly prefer that to the Super Rare, but we haven't had it to know, have we? So, final one for this pack. I did actually consider opening both of these for one video, just to get through them a bit quicker, but I don't know, I feel like the video would be a little bit on the long side if I did that. Whoa! I keep forgetting there's no gear to hold them in now. They got rid of that. Oh, what are we going to get? Come on, please be the RT. Oh, bloody hell, duplicate. Another one of the G-Wagons. Again, this is really cool. I did like this one a lot, but oh, it could have at least been the other coloration I haven't got. Oh, that's a shame. I really like this one, but yeah, we've already seen one of these, so that's 2 different duplicates now. I must have got quite lucky the first time because we didn't get a lot of duplicates. But there we are. Such things happens with these blind boxes. You cannot avoid it. It's a little bit unfortunate, but there we are. Now, I love these majorette tune-ups, but I've got to say, getting duplicates is pretty annoying. Let me know down below what you think of blind boxes as a whole. We've been over this before, but yeah, if you've got anything to say, please be sure to comment down below. Let me know what you think of these cars. I've got to say, some pretty cool ones here. This being top fave, shortly followed by the GTR. Very, very cool. Pretty happy with what I got, but yeah, I won't lie, really hoping for that Charger in the next pack. But of course, thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. Good luck in all your peg hunts as always, and I shall see you in the next video.